Spell checking in PyQtWebEngine. I am writing a program which is mainly in Python, but some interactive features are done through a web app that talks to Flask. It would be nice to have the web app inside the Python program, so I am looking at using PyQtWebEngine. This works surprisingly well, except that I cannot get spell checking to work. I have run from inside my child class of QtWebEngine view, and I have checked a spell check enabled is true. I wonder if it cannot find the languages. No cloning is detected, which I would expect if it cannot find the dictionary, as suggested by the non-Python example. I have an ngb.dict which I copied from the Chromium Hunspell Git. I have tried putting the file in. When I run, the result is so I tried. This wouldn't have been okay because I cannot edit this location when the program is pip installed, but it was worth a try. With the .dict file in either place, I never see any spell check feature. Has anyone got spell checking working in PyQtWebEngine? I have not been able to find much in the way of documentation.
Assuming that the are valid, then I have established the path of the dictionaries through the environment variable qtwebengine_dictionaries_path. For example, I have translated the official example into Python with the following structure. main.py. Note: to get the dict I have used the qtwebengine_convert_dict tool executing. The complete code is here.
If you want to see more, press on here subscribing.